Today we are going to learn how to start a blog instantly using WordPress.com. Once you name your site, it will guide you on editing your homepage. Click Edit Homepage. In the WordPress editor, paragraphs, images, and videos are all blocks. Just click the plus to open the inserter, then click the block you want to add. Use the toolbar to change the appearance of a selected block. Try making it bold. Click the setting icon to see even more options. Click Undo if you made a mistake. To move blocks around, click and drag the handle. Click the text on the home page and change it as you wish. You can replace the cover image with several options. One convenient way is to grab a photo from Pexel's free photos. Just search an image, select, and insert. Once you are done, click the Update from the top right corner. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.